Congratulations! You have just unlocked a world of possibilities with the Subify plan, ready to supercharge your subscriptions. Let's dive into the exciting features you now have at your fingertips. Exciting update! With the Subify plan, you're free from MRR limits, setting the stage for unlimited growth. Sell more, worry less, and watch your business climb to new heights. Next, let's start with the Subscription Plans tab. You now have full access to the advanced options of the selling plans. You can offer a changing discount for your subscription, offer more discount on the first payments, and then decrease it, or vice versa. You can offer a prepaid subscription where customers pay for multiple deliveries or orders upfront while ensuring they receive their product regularly. Set a specific number of payments after which the customer can cancel or their subscription expires. Schedule the recurring payments for a specific day of the week, month, or year. Besides the selling plan features, you also have access to 4 widget styles and advanced CSS customization. The Subify branding has also been removed from under your widget. If you need any help with your widget customization, make sure to contact our support team. They are fully trained in CSS coding and can help you customize your widget within minutes. Now, let's review the unlocked features in subscription management. You now have full access to edit your subscriptions on Subify. You can reschedule the next order of a subscription, edit its frequency, products, discounts, and also its shipping price. Next, we get to the customer portal customization and permissions, and canceling management tools. You have access to customize the customer portal's contents to match the look and feel of your store. You can also limit your subscribers' access to specific functions in the customer portal, like canceling, rescheduling, editing the subscription, and more. Dealing with subscription churn. Don't miss out on our canceling management tools. You can ask your customers to choose from predefined reasons when they try to cancel their subscriptions from the customer portal. You can monitor your churn rate from this dashboard and export the details of churn reasons. This will help you gather feedback and address their concerns effectively. You can also enable a customizable canceling management pop-up for your customers, which appears when they attempt to cancel their subscriptions, offering an invaluable opportunity to decrease churn rates and retain your subscriber base. Wait, there's even more. You can now manage multiple settings in Subify. First comes the email notifications Subify sends you and your subscribers based on different events. You can change the sender name and also customize your emails with HTML coding. To send other notifications, you can integrate Subify with most email marketing services such as Klaviyo and Shopify Email. I suggest you enable the next 2 settings right away: billing management and tag management. Billing management is an automated payment mechanism that recovers failed payments in your subscriptions. It's a true revenue saver. Tag management is useful for creating segments, integrating Subify with other services, managing your orders, and much more. You can enable automated tags for your subscription orders and subscribers. This is how tags would look on the orders and on customers. If you need more specific tags, like tiered-based or product-based tags, reach out to us. We will help you create customized automation in the Shopify flow to set these tags on your orders or customers automatically. If shipping cost is one of your subscription perks, this part is exclusively designed for your business. In the shipping setting, you can offer free shipping or set a different shipping rate for subscription purchases with custom shipping profiles. These shipping profiles only apply if the product is purchased as a subscription, and the one-time purchases will still follow the shipping rates you've set in Shopify settings. You can also benefit from the quick checkout links. These links will take your customers to a pre-configured checkout page with specific product offerings. Using quick checkout links, you can increase your conversion, offer bundles, run promotions, and create a beautiful landing for your subscriptions. Make sure you check our integrations and partners too. Also, if you have any specific automation in mind, reach out to us and we will help you create it on Shopify Flow. There it is. You now have all the features to run your subscription business smoothly. Don't forget our support team is available 24/7, so if you have any questions, just click on the chat box and we will help you with it. You can also check out our Help Center. The link is in the description. Enjoy the Subify plan.